Hey supermoms, are you ready to turn your dreams into reality and find the perfect balance between family and work? Join the Work at Home Moms community. Click the link in the video description to find out more and start your journey to financial freedom and fulfillment.
Welcome to TV Unmasked, where we uncover the latest celebrity news today. We're diving into Dina Manzo's empowering journey following her ex-husband's shocking conviction. Stay tuned for all the details and insightful commentary right here on TV Unmasked. Dina Canton is reclaiming her power after finally getting justice against her ex-husband. The Real Housewives of New Jersey alum, 52, shared a statement Wednesday on her Instagram story, one day after Tommy Manzo was found guilty of hiring a mobster to assault her then-boyfriend David Canton in 2015. "I call my power back to me. I call my energy back to me. I call my magic back to me," she wrote in the statement. "I am cleansed and disconnected from anything that may drain me. I am shielded from any energy that does not serve me. I am safe. I am protected. I am whole. And so it is," added Manzo. Her post comes after Thomas, 59, was convicted of contracting John Perna to assault David, whom Dina later married in 2017, in exchange for a free, lavish wedding reception. A federal jury found Thomas guilty of conspiracy, falsifying and concealing documents, and committing a violent crime in aid of racketeering activity. The restaurateur faces up to 46 years in prison when he's sentenced October 15. Federal prosecutors said Thomas hired John Perna, whom they described as a soldier in the Lucchese crime family, to commit the July 2015 attack against David in the parking lot of a Garden State strip mall. The following month, Perna's wedding reception was held at the Paterson, New Jersey restaurant, the Brownstone, which is partly owned by Thomas. Perna pleaded guilty in December 2020 to committing a violent crime in aid of racketeering activity. He received a 2.5-year sentence the following year and was ordered by the court to remit $17,816 in restitution fees. Perna was released from custody last August. Amid a police probe into the attack on David, the jury found that Thomas had hid information and lied on documents when subpoenaed by a grand jury, according to ABC News. Thomas had been infuriated about his then-estranged wife Dina's romance with David and wanted his attackers to leave a permanent facial scar in the planned assault, according to court docs reviewed by ABC. Earlier this year, Thomas asked a federal judge overseeing the case to throw it out, citing its unusually long history of delays, according to the New York Post. His attorneys Mark Agnifilo and Zach Intrater said that the restaurateur had been denied his right to a speedy trial in the case in which he was indicted in 2020, 5 years after the attack. They cited the Federal Speedy Trial Act of 1974 in their argument for tossing the case. The last day that Mr. Manzo could have been brought to trial on the indictment in compliance with the law was December 10, 2022, Thomas' lawyers said in a court filing on January 19. But no effective continuance was signed until nearly 11 months later. Thomas' attorneys said there was no question that there has been a violation of the federal statute and that his indictment must be dismissed. They described their client as a respected businessman who looks forward to these charges being dismissed so that he can get back to his family and the work that he loves.